good morning. So today we're gonna be doing a complete liquid moly service, engine flush, motor oil change, and the Ceratec engine protection on the car. So let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do is bust out the engine flush. We're gonna put this in in the motor right now. Let me flip this around for you guys. So you might notice my engine bay looks a little different right now. It's just because I broke it down for something you guys are going to see in a future video. But yeah, go ahead and take your engine oil cap off. Get this stuff over there. And I mean, usually you'd use a funnel, but I've gotten pretty good at just pouring it in. So we're going to pour the whole contents of the bottle in there. Get it all nice and in there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cap back on, of course. Don't be that guy. Goddamn mosquito biting me over here. All right, we're gonna let the engine idle for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So let's get that done. All right, so now that we've let the car idle for 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Take that off. Pull out that's the oil housing filter. It'll take out the filter completely. It'll just come right out. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and drain the oil. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This car is really easy to do basic maintenance on. So yeah, let's knock it out. We really want to make sure that we get all of the engine oil out of here. So we're gonna wait till the last drop. Okay, so we replaced the filter, put it back on, and we went ahead and screwed back in our oil drain bolt. There's a crush washer you need to remove on that if you can. Some of these models, they require you to change out the bolt altogether because the crush washer won't come off the bolt. So you might have to upgrade. I know ECS sells one that is a removable crush washer, so that way you don't have to spend $30 on a fucking drain bolt from BMW, because you know that's how they operate. And now we're just dropping in 0W40 liquid moly synth oil energy. This is like the top of the line stuff that they make. So yeah, it's 6.8 liters. And we'll go ahead and take her for a drive, measure the engine oil, and see how it goes. So we just finished, got the car neutral, and bam, look at engine level perfect. So it's actually 6.8 liters in there. And then you throw in that Ceratec protection. If you don't know what the Ceratec protection is, all it is really is an anti-friction fluid, basically, that goes in, mixes with the oil. You can throw it in a transmission. You can throw it in the, you can throw it even in your, or obviously in your engine oil. The only thing you can't really do it on is wet clutches. So we're talking Mercedes-Benz, their wet clutch system that they have in their AMG cars. I'm not too sure if they have it also in the regular C classes. I don't really think it has that. I think those have like the regular ZF 8-speed transmissions. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions on oil changes or the parts I used, just leave in the comment section and I'll get back to it. If you guys need links to the products that I used, all the liquid moly products, basically all you gotta do is just go on Amazon, search liquid moly Ceratec, I'll put it right here down below, and then liquid moly engine flush right down below, and then liquid moly synth oil 0W40. That'll change depending on what type of car you have. If you have an M car, specifically the S55, you're going to use the 0W40. But they make, you know, all different types of viscosity of oils. So if, you know, don't worry, you're going to find the one that's right for your car. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.